our love and His love we found. We live our life now, we come this far. We won't stop now, this is all we are. We set out on the open road to the fields of gold.